Okay, so now I'm going to show you step by step on how to set up a NFT on Solana. Okay, so now we are at the developer Metaplex, and definitely we choose the Candy Machines. Okay, so we are going to use the Candy Machine V3. Okay, so if you follow my previous videos, you can see that it's yeah, I've installed the the sugar. Okay, so now okay, I will just skip this installations. Yeah, I expect that you can do it yourself. Yeah, and then let's go to yeah. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, so yeah, so this is my candy machines. Okay, you can see that I actually try a lot of like front ends. So actually, you don't need all this. You don't need the keystroke. You don't need this. Okay, so later I will tell you how to set up the front end parts. Okay, which repo to use. Yeah. Okay. So currently at the okay. So we know we try our sugar version first. Okay. 2.6. Cool. Okay. It shows. So I got the latest versions. So I'm not configured. Definitely. Yeah. Is my devnet. And yeah, my keypair.json is correct. It's Solana slash wallet.json. And yeah, devnet as well. Okay. So we don't need to set the RPC yet as well because I already set in DevNet. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the file. Okay, so in this asset, you can just download and try it. So there's a 0, yeah, and then the 0 to 9, so it's total 10, and then the collections. Okay, and then let's go to okay, don't launch it because you are going to have the set up the allowed list guard. Okay, so yeah, definitely we will just go to config.json. Yeah, this part. Okay, it's total how many number of I think you can go to the doc candy machine this no this managing candy machine no candy card. I think it's yeah it's the configuration files. Okay, you can see this. Okay, what's the symbols and what's the rule set? For me, I don't have the rule set because rule set is for more for the PNFT. Okay, cool. And yeah, there's a whitelist and there's a public. So the start date of whitelist is this, and I'll be setting the end date. Let me try if does it works if I have to that I have no that end date and both of the start date are actually working. Start date, yeah, okay, cool. So now for this so payment, let me make it to 0.1, 0.2, okay. And then for the so payment, this one would be 0.5. Min limit, okay. So the min limit is 5, and for this min limit is let's do it 50. Okay, two. Okay, yeah, and also for this label, they only accept 6 characters. So if you put publics, it doesn't work. So there's only 6 characters. So this one is only if you write below at least, it's more than 6 characters, 9 characters, so it doesn't work. When you deploy it, you will see the issues. Okay, so make sure don't more than 6 characters. Okay, just create those. Okay, there's a groups label. Okay, we have to start that, and I'm not sure with this bot text, but we'll just set up the bot text. This bot text for to counter those minter bot. If they are using bot to mint, then yeah, the system will detect it and charge a 0.1 so on them, and yeah, it won't work. Yeah, they can't mint it. So, oh yeah, and also for this allow this Merkle proof. Okay, Let me find it. Okay, you go to the keystrokes.com's Merkle root, and then you copy the wallet. Yeah, don't forget to add in your wallet as well. Okay, this yeah, definitely cool. Okay, calculate the Merkle proof, you copy, and then you paste this into your Merkle proof. Okay, so limit is minting is 5, and then this limit is minting 50. Okay, so I think all works now. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, we can go to this getting started, I think. Yeah, so we can just go to Sugar Launch. Let's try it. Okay, so this is the website. It's already minted. I'm not sure the catch is changed, so I think I need to delete this catch. This is the previously uploaded things, so I need to just delete it and Sugar Launch. Yeah, Sugar Launch. Sugar Launch. Okay, they'll upload the image. And what's next? It takes some time. Just wait for a while. Okay, they're creating the candy machine. You can see the catch. It's a collection means. Yeah, what's the candy card? Okay, so you can see that the candy card is not added. So remember, always remember to deploy your, not deploy, to add the card. Yeah, it's here. So to add the sugar card add, so that the card is added. Cool. So there's a candy card here. So it's correct now. So yeah, and also if you try sugar mint, it won't work because there is a candy card here. So yeah, payer is not a candy machine mint authority. So you need to have the front end. So this is the part that I'll introduce you to. Okay, this guy, the Mark Zuckerberg. He's the admin. I think he's not the admin, he's the moderator or the community helper in Discord, in the Metaplex Discord, and he's always so responsive and yeah, so helpful. So yeah, hands up. This definitely you should start this, and then okay, you should have a copy here. So I think there's an env file here. Okay, the config file, not this catch. Okay, and then the env file. Okay, then copy your candy machine here. Next one, candy machine ID. Just copy it, and then multi-mint to allow show box to choose how many NFT to mint. Yes, yes, definitely true. Okay, maximum mint amount 50. Okay, since just now I said maximum is 50 in the public sales. Okay, next public load. Okay, this is the part that you need to. Okay, I think they are using npm run. Not npm. I think it's using pm right? Yeah, pm run def. Okay, this is great. Okay, yeah, I forgot to cm pm run dev. Okay, just close this. Jellyfish there. pm run dev, and let's look. Okay, you should see the initialize red buttons, and then you create a load. Okay, so yeah, you connect it. Okay, initialize everything, create load, confirm, you got the load, it's created, just put it here, copy, connect. So just now I did put in my address, so I can in now. So maximum is 5. I don't know why, maximum is 10. What happened? So I need to check. Add your candy machine to the settings, okay. So in your settings, yeah, this is my wallet. So for public, I think in my public I didn't put any whitelist, right? Okay, I didn't remove it. So yeah, this is not really a public. Minted. Okay, so this allow this. This is my address. I think for this one, we need to copy and paste it like this. Let's do it one by one. Okay, so yeah, you need to write down your label. So there's a whitelist, there's a public, and what's next? Check out this one after initialize. Okay, cool. So it works now. I think there's a setting.json, right? Yeah. So there's a whitelist, and then there's a public. So there's only two groups. So I just set up this 50. Okay, the maximum is 10. I don't know why. I already set it to 50, right? So, oh, okay. I know it's why. I know the reasons because there's only 10, right? So the maximum is not 50. So now I'm going to try min it. Allow list detected. So there's allow list detected now. So you can try min allow list detected. Please sign to be approved. So if you try, okay, if you try, let's say, like try the second devnet, try min now. Yeah, I need to reset it. Okay, wallet not allow listed. So this wallet G start with G, uh, doesn't get the allow list, so it's not. You can't really min it. So this is how we work on the Metaplex candy machines with allow list, and yeah, as well as the front end UI. That's it. Thank you.